Alright guys, we have a 2017 Nissan Maxima here. We're gonna do the alternator replacement. I'm gonna guide you real quick. On the older model, you can take off the radiator and then the alternator is coming off from here, but none on these new ones, because the radiator support is a part of the radiator and it's gonna require a lot of time and labor. So basically the alternator is gonna come out from the bottom. I already take off the old one, the new one is gonna go back in there real quick. But here you need to drop off the, okay, now it's better. You need to drop off the AC compressor. Don't discharge any line. Drop off the subframe. These are the, okay, there is one screw right here and the other one over there, as you see back there next to the impact. Use number 22 socket millimeter. Take that off, and then it's going to give you more room to drop down the compressor with the subframe. Do not drop the whole subframe, just the front side, and then you can take off the alternator from there. But there is another motor mount right here on top of here, as you see where my finger is. Look at that, see, exactly down there. You have to take that nut off, so in order to let the subframe just come down. I mean, it has to come down enough to give you room from this side to get out. That was a quick guide about that. I believe it's required more than 2 hours, but the all data said 2 hours. So, I mean, that's ridiculous, so it's gonna take more than that. But anyway, that was the quick guide on 2017 Nissan Altima V6 3.5 alternator replacement. Again, on the older model, you need to remove the radiator, and that's going to be much easier. Don't forget to disconnect the battery. In this case, we already took off the battery because we're going to put a brand new battery on it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck.